Dopamine nuggets?
I will not say anymore.
Hey, welcome, soldier!
Hey. Ooh,
I just got hit.
Oh,
Grenade!
God.
Hey, big truck's gonna go right in. Here we go.
Alright.
Big truck! Big truck! Big truck!
Where are you?
Big truck, big explosion. They give me fruit? Whoa. Whoa, dude, that's not nice. Hey, calm down with that. It's just a video game, man.
What are we at war for anyway? Plastic prices?
What is blowing up?
Nearest teammate, 6 meters.
Where are you?
In this hallway.
I see ya. Get up! Grenade!
Oh.
I died again.
Yoko, we got fucking ammo? Oh shit, I'm blind.
This is fucked. This is not where I want to be.
No, there's still more. Look behind you.
Go!
Told you. I told you. You should have listened to me.
I minimized my game.
Excuse me?
You ever have that glitch where you get shot and it fucking minimizes your game? Isn't that cool?
No.
Guys.
Good.
I'm at the car. Come grab my body and drag it.
Guys, I'm at half my life.
How far up are you?
I'm about to die. Tyler's trying to badge for me, but there's a guy right there shooting Tyler. Alex, it's only up to you. Get your crotch out of me.
You're in the window.
Come on, Alex. I'm 3 seconds from death.
This guy's getting me up.
Oh, I wasn't close enough to reach you.
Take cover. Jake, take cover.
I am a mindless.
Lit.
Grab us and drag it down. Drag it down the stairs.
Oh fuck,
Medic.
oh fuck.
Medic.
Oh shit!
Drag me!
I don't know where is safe.
Nowhere.
Nowhere.
Bro, what?
Wow, I don't feel so good.
If there's a time to rush, there's a time.
Medic!
Flash out.
Hey guys, there's like 50 people
Flash
around
out.
me and they're scared to pick us up. I'm a medic, I can heal y'all and pick me up. Medic!
Fuck. There's like 100 of them. There's a million of Ruskies. They're touching me. They're touching me.
Austin, you're carrying
They're
again.
touching me. They're spreading my butt cheeks.
Suka
Bunch
bled!
of Russians.
Oh shit.
Oh, I died.
How's it going?
Holy shit.
No!
Oh,
Why didn't you say anything?
I didn't see him.
You gotta check the surroundings, Zig. What are you gonna do? You're dead. Do something.
I was looking around. I was like, where's the line here? This front line, what is that?
What do you think it is?
Everybody on the front line? That sounds pretty cool.
It's push back, push and pull, tug of war.
Oh. Really?
Yeah.
Hmm.
How's it make you feel?
Great.
Shouldn't.
That would be great. 127 people on the front line.
I think you're just trying to be toxic.
It sounds toxic.
Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar!
Fucking hell!
God damn it!
Oh, got him!
I'm dead. In the top of the truck.
I'm coming. Got him!
Jake, come drive this car before I get sniped.
Where to?
Anywhere but here. I'm dead, I got sniped.
God
Let
damn
me in
it.
that MG, I know where you got shot from.
Jake, get out of the vehicle and kill
Hit him
me.
up.
How do I get into the MG?
Jake, kill me now!
I am! Getting up!
I'm dead again.
I'm gonna run out of bandage.
Guys, I need help. I'm on the ramp. 2nd floor.
We're fucked. Spawn on me. I got a
you.
new vehicle.
Bro, I wanna drive.
I don't want to drive.
Alright, I'm driving.
First spawn, first serve.
We're gonna go flying. Oh, that didn't happen how I'd imagined in
Played too much Halo.
my mind. Yeah. Loser!
You know, join the party.
Loser!
Oh, where did that gun come from?
Well, we traded.
I died.
Damn it, down here.
This game.
What are you doing down here?
Pick me up!
Snake man.
Yeah.
Do the thing that you were born to do.
What?
Do it!
I'm not a medic. I have a rocket launcher. What do you...
You're dead to me.
I wanted to blow things up.
Who are you? Oh no, I've been struck by I tripped and fell on a bullet.
Here, let me pick you
If
up.
only. Hey, wait, guys, when did Jake get back here? Where'd he go?
Ooh! Sniping with the rocket launcher.
Minch.
They got me!
Got one man down, enemy in possession of corpse!
I am a medic again.
No, you're a gunner.
Oh.
The trick is to keep driving.
Jesus Christ.
Jake, shoot at something.
I don't see anything. Bro, why isn't this a fucking... Yeah, those gun turrets don't do shit.
Spawn on me, Jake. You're driving then.
Either that or just suck ass.
It's a little bit of both.
Like, you gotta shoot him in the head? Like, what the fuck?
It's upper body. You gotta land the upper body.
Where am I going?
Not this way.
Nobody's knowing.
Jake, do something.
Those
Follow
just
the little white
hell on
markers,
earth.
Jake.
Is that a vehicle?
Guys, they're pushing B. We need help B.
Oh, we're in a GTA fight right now.
I got headshotted from a sniper across the map.
Uh-oh. Enemy territory.
Jake,
What? This thing's gonna blow up.
Not till we get to safety. Alright, we're in safety.
Ah! Oh no. Wow, Shrek. Look at that.
Just seen the island at the bottom right.
Whoa, look at that guy fit on that fucking jet ski.
Fuck
Yeah,
you. Fuck you say to
Look at the
me?
bottom of the map, in the right corner, there's a small island.
You heard me, you
with,
little
a ship
bitch with your little
snipers
jet
on
ski. You
that.
think you're cool?
I'm faster than you, motherfucker.
See that? It's some fire shit. You can hold like all of E and jump to C.
Yeah, that's not nice.
Watch it, no friends having ass motherfucker! Oh, the boat's fucked. Alright, we gotta pull off.
Are you serious?
Yeah, the game's shitting itself.
God, these servers suck!
Explains why they were stress testing for 10 years.